Erik from Hilltop Wealth Solutions is back with answers to your tax policy questions. Stay with us.
This segment is sponsored by Hilltop Wealth Solutions.
Well, our good friend Erik Brenner from Hilltop Wealth Solutions is back again on Hometown Living.
Erik always shares such valuable insight and a special offer just for our Hometown Living viewers. Take a look. Well, you always bring your thoughts and opinions and resources about future casting for taxes. So what changes in taxes are you really predicting for the future?
Yeah, and the Biden administration certainly has a tax agenda, and they've talked about it. And so there are several things that we think that's going to happen. Some of them may be this year in 2021. Some of them may be in future years just because they're dealing with the global pandemic right now. But we definitely think there will be tax law changes.
Well, what tax breaks are you seeing for people with dependent children?
Yeah, one of the proposals is for the tax credit to be raised for those that have dependent children. So if you qualify right now for a tax credit on dependent children, that's going to go up depending on the age of the child. So that could be immediate kind of tax relief for those folks that are raising young children.
Well, what do you think taxes will look like on things individuals inherit, such as property or an investment portfolio?
Okay, yeah, Jackie, this is really a big one because the proposal is to eliminate what's called stepped up basis, which when someone inherits money, that can save someone a lot of money when they inherit it, whether that's farmland, property, lake property, or investments. So if they eliminate the stepped up basis, which has always been kind of that will be a big one for a lot of folks.
Well, what would the potential elimination of the 1031 exchange mean for individuals?
Yeah, so right now, if you have property and it's got a lot of gain and you want to sell it, maybe you don't want to manage it anymore or you want to sell it, you can transfer the proceeds and delay tax and not pay a bunch of capital gains tax. You can transfer that. So the proposal is that they're going to eliminate that. So again, someone that has property that's highly appreciated and they thought they could do that exchange, the proposal is to eliminate it. So we're really talking to people right now is, do we need a game plan right now before this goes into law? Because it's going to be big.
Well, what steps can individuals take to plan ahead for taxes? Is that even a concept that people can do, is plan ahead?
Yeah, it's really tough because obviously no one knows the future for sure. Even the Biden administration, they don't know what's going to get through. So, we say plan as it is today, and really, what is your tax? There's tax preparation, which we've talked about on the show, and there's tax planning. Two different things. Tax planning is projecting out what is your taxes going to be for 2021 and take advantage of what you have today.
Well, that's great insight and resources for our viewers. I know you always have a special offer for people who want more information about what we've talked about this morning. So share what we're offering folks today.
Yeah, so I know people are in the tax preparation phase, right? This is tax time, but we're offering this tax planning, which what we'll do is we will take a look at what you're projected to have for 2021 and really then talk through strategy and what you should be doing to make sure you have your lowest tax bill. Now, we have 10 spots, Jackie, that we have opened up for our callers. So if you call the number right now, that 574-212-0446, we can get you a 30-minute call with one of our wealth advisors and find out more about your situation and see if we can help.
Well, you're going to want to be one of those 10 callers, so make sure you give Erik and his team a call to take advantage of that special offer. Erik, once again, thanks for joining us here on Hometown Living to share your valuable insight and resources.
Thank you, Jake.
You can reach them at 574-212-0446, hilltopwealthsolutions.com to take advantage of that great offer.
And we also want to remind folks that you can catch the weekly TV show Your Wealth Health every Saturday morning at 9:30 on Fox Michiana.
Coming up, media